What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Afrome, and today we're talking about something a little bit different. We're talking about blinds. Yes, blinds. I know, I'm at that place in my life where this is actually interesting. But you know what? These aren't just regular old window shades or window coverings. These are motorized on a remote with solar panels connected to Alexa. These are pretty sweet.
They really are.
Now I'm up here in my bedroom. I just installed these. These are light blocking roller shades. You can see this pretty nice textured fabric. I put in these side light blockers as well. Now I have motorized shades in my bedroom, obviously, and also downstairs in my family room. And SmartWings has a lot of different offerings. They have cellular shades, zebra shades, woven wood shades, dual shades, outdoor shades, curtains, and a bunch of different light filtering and blackout options. They've got different colors, textures, fabrics, so you can really customize them to fit the room that you want. In my family room, I went with cellular shades. They have a honeycomb design. It looks really nice. But my bedroom here, I want a different goal. My goal was dark. I've had these drapes or curtains or whatever you want to call them in here for years, and they kind of do the job. But come sunrise, I was getting that light leakage, and it's waking me up, and I need it dark to sleep. So I turned back to SmartWings. I ordered some light blockers, and pretty happy with them. Now, initially, I didn't install these light blockers, and that was partially because I didn't measure properly. I'll get into that in a second. And it does a nice job without them, but adding these just takes it to another level of darkness. It's like, I don't know what time it is anymore. That kind of dark. I do really love the convenience of just being able to push a button to raise or to lower the shade. I can even have my Alexa do it if I want to. I can have her program a schedule. I've put these into Alexa, but I just don't think I need her to control these shades. I was thinking about, do I want it to come up at a certain time, but what if I sleep in? Or no, none of that. Now the shades downstairs, I have them programmed to open before sunrise and to close after sunset. So that's a little bit different. And again, you can do that on your phone inside the Alexa app if you have an Alexa compatible motor. Depending on which motor you choose, SmartWings will work with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, Home Assistant, and a few others. You can set up schedules, you can set up automations, but personally, this remote is just fine. There are actually a handful of different remotes. This is the most basic. You can see it just lights up to tell me which one I want. Now, one here actually controls, I have two shades in my bedroom. I push a button and they both start working. Push that little button here to stop, or I can control them individually, right? This is the other one, right? You can kind of hear it across the room, but not really because it's pretty quiet. Another option that you can go with, and I highly, highly recommend this. I've got a solar panel back here. These are east-facing windows. They get a lot of sun in the morning, which is why I have these light blockers. But that solar panel plugs into this rechargeable battery, and I don't ever have to think about it. It does the work for me. I've got plenty of things I have to remember to charge. My phone, my watch, my drones, my cameras, my e-bikes. I don't want to think about having to plug these things in when they die. And the ones I have downstairs are actually on a second level, which means I'd have to grab a ladder to do that. Don't want to deal with that. Now, installation for these things, super simple. I've got two clips here and here. They included a template. I threw it up there, boom, boom, a couple of screws, easy peasy, did not take me a whole lot of time. And then these, they come with double-sided sticky tape. They just stuck right to the wall. Make sure you get it where this shade falls into that channel, and then you have to kind of set the top point and the bottom point, and then you're good to go. Now, setting up this through Alexa, also not terribly difficult. You're just gonna hold this button here till it turns red. Then you're gonna talk to Alexa, tell her to search for new devices, and then boom, they pair. Then you can set up a schedule or commands inside the app if that's what you wanna do. Now here's something you really need to think about when you go to order. Make sure that you measure windows properly. Now they have outlined what you need to do on their website, and I suggest you follow it, but measure the top, measure the middle, measure the bottom. Your windows should be pretty even, but sometimes they're not perfectly square, and that'll trip you up if you don't measure properly. And then I would suggest taking off a little bit, just so that you're not trying to make these perfect, especially if you're gonna get these light blockers. That's gonna help. I didn't think about it with the length of these. You know, my window here is basically 60 inches, but it's actually 59, and I just ordered 60, and that's why my light blockers were not the right size. I figured, oh, well, I can have a little bit of extra. But you want to be precise if you're going to get these light blockers, or just cut them yourself. Again, not hard to do. So if you're looking for shades or blinds or window treatments of any kind, these are fantastic. I'm a huge fan. They've got tons of styles. I'm going to ask them for a discount code. I think they're on sale. I'll throw in an affiliate link down below. If you're interested, click on that. Save yourself some money. Upgrade your window treatments. Hey, thanks for watching.